Our bodies are incredible machines. They are capable of amazing things. We often take our bodies for granted, but inside each of us is a world of complexity and wonder. Think about it. We can walk, talk, and think. We can feel emotions and experience the world through our senses. Our bodies are constantly working to keep us alive and functioning. From the top of our heads to the tips of our toes, we are full of surprises. Our bodies possess hidden depths. There are countless facts about our anatomy and physiology that most of us are unaware of. This essay will explore some of these mind-blowing body facts. Get ready to be amazed by the wonders within. Hair. It's something we all have. We style it, cut it, and sometimes even worry about it. But have you ever stopped to consider how remarkable hair actually is? A single strand of hair is stronger than you might think. It can support the weight of a candy bar. This strength comes from keratin, a protein that also makes up our skin and nails. Hair gets its color from melanin, the same pigment that determines our skin tone. The more melanin, the darker the hair. As we age, melanin production slows down. This is why hair turns gray or white. Hair grows from follicles, tiny openings in our skin. Each follicle goes through a cycle of growth, rest, and shedding. We lose about 50 to 100 hairs per day as part of this natural cycle. Let's talk about hair length. We all know the fairy tale of Rapunzel, trapped in a tower with her incredibly long hair. While Rapunzel's locks might be a fantasy, real-life examples of extreme hair length are just as astonishing. The Guinness World Record for the longest hair ever recorded belongs to Xi Chuping of China. Her hair measured a staggering 18 feet 5.54 inches in 2004. Imagine the time and effort it took to grow and care for such lengthy tresses. Long hair requires special care to stay healthy and strong. Regular trims, gentle brushing, and a balanced diet all contribute to maintaining those flowing locks. From record-breaking lengths to its surprising strength, hair is a testament to the body's ability to create and sustain remarkable structures. Our eyes are often called the windows to the soul, a poetic way to describe their importance. They allow us to perceive the world around us in all its vibrant color and detail, capturing the beauty of nature and the nuances of human expression. But have you ever wondered how these intricate organs actually work? The process is both fascinating and complex. The cornea, the clear outer layer of the eye, is responsible for focusing light, acting as the eye's outermost lens. What's truly amazing is that the cornea doesn't require a direct blood supply. Unlike most other tissues in the body, it receives oxygen directly from the air, a unique adaptation that keeps it transparent and functional. This unique feature is essential for maintaining the cornea's clarity, ensuring that our vision remains sharp and unobstructed. Light passes through the pupil and lens, which further focus the image onto the retina, much like a camera lens focuses light onto film. The retina is a layer of light-sensitive cells at the back of the eye, crucial for capturing visual information. It converts light into electrical signals that are sent to the brain via the optic nerve, acting as the eye's communication pathway. The brain then interprets these signals, allowing us to see and understand the world around us. It's a complex and remarkable process that happens in a fraction of a second, showcasing the incredible efficiency of our visual system. Color is a fundamental aspect of our visual experience, adding richness and depth to the world around us. But did you know that not everyone sees color in the same way? Our perception of color can vary significantly from person to person. Our perception of color is influenced by genetics, specifically the types of photoreceptor cells called cones in our retinas. These cones are crucial for detecting and interpreting the colors we see. Most people have 3 types of cones, each sensitive to different wavelengths of light: red, green, and blue. This trichromatic vision allows us to perceive a vast array of colors by combining these 3 primary colors. These cones work together to allow us to see a wide range of colors, creating the vibrant and diverse visual experiences we enjoy every day. However, some people are born with a condition called color vision deficiency, or color blindness. This condition affects their ability to perceive certain colors accurately. Color blindness affects the ability to distinguish between certain colors, usually red and green. This can make everyday tasks like choosing ripe fruit or reading traffic lights more challenging. It's more common in males than females due to the genes responsible for color vision being located on the X chromosome. Since males have only one X chromosome, a single defective gene can result in color blindness. While color blindness can make certain tasks more challenging, it doesn't mean seeing the world in black and white. People with color vision deficiency still experience a colorful world, just in a different way. People with color vision deficiency can still perceive a wide spectrum of colors, just differently than those with typical color vision. Their unique perspective adds to the diverse ways we all experience the world around us. Taste and smell are two senses that are closely intertwined. They work together to create our perception of flavor. When we eat, odor molecules from the food travel to the back of our nasal cavity, where they are detected by olfactory receptors. These receptors send signals to the brain, which identifies the smell. At the same time, our taste buds on the tongue are detecting the basic tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. The brain combines information from both smell and taste receptors to create the complex sensation of flavor. This is why a stuffy nose can dull our sense of taste. Our sense of smell is far more sensitive than our sense of taste. We can distinguish between thousands of different smells, but only a handful of basic tastes. Saliva, the watery fluid in our mouths, plays a crucial role in taste perception. It might seem like a simple substance, but saliva is actually quite complex. Saliva is essentially filtered blood. It contains enzymes that begin the process of digestion. One of these enzymes, amylase, breaks down starches into simpler sugars. Saliva also acts as a solvent, dissolving food molecules so they can interact with our taste buds. Without saliva, we wouldn't be able to taste our food properly. Next time you take a bite of your favorite meal, remember the important role saliva plays in allowing you to savor every flavor. It's a crucial part of the taste experience. Section 8. Echoes of the World, the Symphony of Hearing. Our ears are remarkable organs that allow us to experience the world of sound. From the gentle rustling of leaves to the soaring melodies of music, our ears capture a symphony of vibrations and translate them into meaningful sounds. Sound waves enter the ear canal and cause the eardrum to vibrate. These vibrations are then passed on to three tiny bones in the middle ear: the malleus, incus, and stapes. The stapes bone transmits the vibrations to the cochlea, a fluid-filled structure in the inner ear. Inside the cochlea are thousands of tiny hair cells that are sensitive to different frequencies of sound. When these hair cells are stimulated, they send electrical signals to the brain via the auditory nerve. The brain interprets these signals as sound, allowing us to hear. Section 9. A balancing act, the ear's dance of dominance. Our ears do more than just hear. They are complex organs that serve multiple functions. They also play a crucial role in maintaining our balance, which is essential for everyday activities. Within the inner ear, alongside the cochlea, are three fluid-filled loops called the semicircular canals. These canals are vital for our sense of equilibrium. These canals are positioned at right angles to each other and contain sensory hair cells similar to those in the cochlea. These hair cells are incredibly sensitive and play a key role in detecting movement. When we move our head, the fluid in the semicircular canals shifts, bending the hair cells. This movement is crucial for sending accurate information to the brain. This bending sends signals to the brain about our head's position and movement. The brain then processes these signals to help us understand our orientation in space. The brain uses this information to help us maintain our balance and coordinate our movements. This coordination is essential for activities like walking, running, and even standing still. Interestingly, one ear tends to be dominant for hearing, just like we have a dominant hand. This dominance can affect how we perceive sounds in different environments. This dominance can switch depending on the task, with one ear taking the lead in noisy environments, while the other excels at picking up subtle cues. Understanding this can help us better appreciate the complexity and adaptability of our auditory system. Section 10. The body's fortress bones and their remarkable strength. Bones are the scaffolding of our bodies. They provide support, protect our organs, and allow us to move. What makes bones so remarkable is their strength. Pound for pound, bone is stronger than steel. This incredible strength comes from its unique composition of collagen and calcium phosphate. Collagen provides flexibility, while calcium phosphate gives bone its hardness. Bones are also constantly remodeling themselves, breaking down old bone tissue and replacing it with new. This process ensures that our bones stay strong and healthy throughout our lives. However, unlike bones, our teeth, while also strong, lack this regenerative ability. Once damaged, tooth enamel cannot repair itself. Section 11. A final thought. The body's enduring enigma. From the intricate workings of our eyes to the hidden talents of our ears, the human body is a source of endless fascination. We've explored just a glimpse of the amazing facts that lie hidden beneath our skin. Each breath we take, each step we take, is a testament to the complex and awe-inspiring machinery that keeps us going. And as science progresses, we continue to uncover even more secrets about our remarkable bodies. So the next time you marvel at the strength of a strand of hair or the complexity of flavor, remember this: your body is a universe of wonder, waiting to be explored.